Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can install your Bluetooth drivers on your Windows 11. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So after opening your browser, what you're going to do is go to the search bar and start typing enter Bluetooth driver. So after you've typed that down, tap on the enter button on your keyboard. And now here you can see there are various links. You have to go to the official website of Intel. This is the official website and you can simply just click on this link. And now here you can see this page will open, and in here you can now scroll down. And you can see this as the option of download right here. You can see there is the option of Windows 10 and 11. You can simply just click on this download option. And now here you can see the download process has begun. And you can see now your download process has been completed. You can go to your files and then go to the downloads. And in here you can see this is the file that we downloaded. You can simply double click on it. There will be a Windows pop-up. Simply just click on yes. I can't really screen record it. So after you have done that, now the installation process will begin. Here you can see this will pop up, and all you have to do is click on this next option. Simply just click on next in order to set it up. After you've done that, simply click on I accept the terms and license agreement and click on next again. And after you've done that, you can select if you want the typical, custom, or just complete. You can simply just click on typical because it is the most common one. So after you've clicked on that, you can click on this install option. And now the installation process will begin. And just like this, it has been completed. You can simply click on this option finish and you are all set. Now you can use your Bluetooth like this. Here you can see this is the option. And this way you can install Bluetooth drivers on your Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.